Hello friends, today we will evaluate this given expression which is 99 plus 70 square root of 2 and its whole sixth root. Okay, so first of all we will solve inside our sixth root which is 99 plus 70 times square root of 2. So it will be equal to 99 plus, we can write 70 as 2 times 35 and square root of 2, and we know that 35 can be written as 35 square and its square root, because the square and square root will be cancelled out and it will again become 35. So we will write it as 2 times square root of 35 square times 2. Okay, so here we have 99. We can write 99 as 50 plus 49 plus it is same as 2 times 35 square times 2. Okay, so here we have 35 square. So if I will take here prime factorization of 35, so it will be 5 7 times and 7 1 time. So here we have 35 square, so it will be 2 times 5 and 2 times 7 and this 2. And here we have 50, so we can write 50 as square root of 50 square, and 49 can be written as square root of 49 square. Now you can see that here we have square root of 50 square plus square root of 49 square plus 2 times, it will be equal to 5 times 25 and 25 2 times 50 and 7 times 49. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. So we can write it as a plus b and its whole square. And it can also be written as 50 is same as 5 times square root of 2 and 49 square root is same as 7 and its whole square. Okay, so it is equal to 99 plus 70 square root of 2, but we have to find sixth root of 99 plus 70 square root of 2. Now I will apply sixth root on both sides. So it will be 99 plus 70 square root of 2 is equal to sixth root of 5 square root of 2 plus 7 and its whole square. It can also be written as 5 times square root of 2 plus 7 and its whole square, and sixth root can be written as power 1 divided by 6. So it will be 2 3 times 6. So it will become 5 square root of 2 plus 7 and its whole power 1 divided by 3. Okay, now I will let that this 7 plus 5 square root of 2 and its cube root as alpha, and now I will take here conjugate of this term 7 minus 5 square root of 2 and its cube root as beta. I will just let that. Okay, so it will give us alpha times beta will be equal to, here we have common cube root, so it will be 7 plus 5 square root of 2 times 7 minus 5 square root of 2. When I will multiply these two terms, it will give us 49 and it will give us minus 35 square root of 2 and it will give us positive 35 square root of 2. So negative 35 square root of 2 and positive will be cancelled out and it will give us 25 times 2. So it will be 49 minus 50 and its cube root. So it will be equal to cube root of -1. So that's mean alpha times beta will be equal to -1. And alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to, when we will apply cube on both sides and add them, so it will be alpha cube plus beta cube, and it will be 7 plus 5 square root of 2 plus 7 minus 5 square root of 2. So it will be cancelled out, and 7 plus 7 will be equal to 14. Now we know that alpha cube plus beta cube is same as alpha plus beta, and alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square is equal to 14. And we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we will try to make this form here. So alpha plus beta times alpha square minus alpha beta. If I will add here 2 alpha beta and also subtract 2 alpha beta, then it will be this alpha square, this beta square, and this 2 alpha beta will give us alpha plus beta whole square, and it will be minus 3 alpha beta. And it will be alpha plus beta, and it is equal to 14. Now we will let that alpha plus beta is equal to m. Then it will become m times m square minus 3. As we know that alpha beta is equal to -1, so it will become -3 times -1 will become +3, and it will be equal to 14. So it will become m cube plus 3m. I will take this 14 to the left hand side, so it will be -14 is equal to 0. Now we have a cubic equation. So I will apply here synthetic division. First of all, I will check that which value of m satisfy this equation. If I will substitute here m is equal to 2, so it will be 2 cube will be 8 plus 3 2 times 6 minus 14. 8 plus 6 will be 14 minus 14 will give us 0. That's mean m is equal to 2 is one of the solution of this equation. That's mean m minus 2 is one of the factor of this equation. Now I will apply here synthetic division. So coefficient of m cube is 1, m square is 0, m is 3, and constant is -14, and I will divide it by 2. Okay, first term will remain same. 2 1 times 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2, 2 2 times 4, then 4 plus 3 will be 7, 2 7 times 14, so it will give us 0 remainder. Now we have a new equation, m square plus 2m plus 7, and we know that m minus 2 is one of the factor, and it is equal to 0. So from here we can get the value of m is equal to 2. And here we have a quadratic equation, so I will apply here quadratic formula. So first of all, I will take its discriminant. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac will be 4 minus 4 times 1 will be 4, 4 7 times 28. And it will give us minus 24, which is less than 0. That's mean it has no real solution. So the only value of m is equal to 2. As m is equal to 2, and we know that m is equal to alpha plus beta, that's mean alpha plus beta is equal to 2. Now we know that alpha beta is equal to -1 and alpha plus beta is equal to 2. So I will apply here Vieta's theorem. So it will give us an equation which is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, because alpha plus beta is equal to 2, which is equal to minus b over a. So it will give us -2, and here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1. So alpha beta C over A will be minus 1. So it will be minus 1. Okay, now it is a quadratic equation. So I will apply here quadratic formula and get the value of x. So it will be b square will be 4 plus minus, x is equal to minus b. So it will be 2 plus minus square root of b square. So it will be 4 minus 4 times 1 will be 1 and 4 times minus 4 times minus 1 will be plus 4 divided by 2 times 1 will be 2. So from here it will be x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 8 divided by 2, and square root of 8 is same as 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. Now from these two terms we have 2 is common. When I will take 2 is common, then this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and x will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 2. And here we have alpha is cube root of 7 plus 5 square root of 2 and beta is cube root of 7 minus 5 square root of 2, and we know that alpha is greater than beta, because in alpha we have a positive sign and in beta we have a negative sign. So we will take here positive sign. Alpha is a bigger value. That's mean alpha will be equal to 1 plus square root of 2. That's mean this given expression is equal to this one, and it is equal to alpha, and it is equal to 1 plus square root of 2. So it will be equal to 1 plus square root of 2. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.